Hi everybody, it's FIBO Group, and you are watching to the Market Watch Review. The modest economic goals that China's National People's Congress announced were seen as a warning sign. Although it seemed to be weighing on Chinese stocks, other large bourses in this region moved ahead. After rising in the last two sessions, Europe's Stoxx 600 has not changed much. The U.S. index futures are slightly softer. Although the U.S. dollar is generally more stable, it remains within its recent ranges against many pairs. The Swiss franc is able to resist the dollar's pull after a stronger-than-expected CPI report and speculation of as high as a 75 BP increase on March 23. It is the only G10 currency that is currently outperforming the greenback. Gold has reached its highest level in almost 3 weeks, but it is still testing the $1,850 mark in the European morning. April WTI reached $80 per barrel, its highest level since February. Asian Pacific market. Tomorrow, Japan will report labor earnings. The year-over-year increase in nominal cash earnings in January is expected to be slightly lower than 2%, compared with 4.1% in December. After a 3-day drop to JPY 135.35, the dollar rebounded to above 136.00. Tomorrow is the first meeting of the Reserve Bank of Australia. Although the housing market is in turmoil and the labor market has started to soften, the price pressures remain too high. Most people expected a 25 BP rate increase. Although the Australian dollar is slightly weaker, it remains within the range of last week. Market of Europe. Switzerland's CPI climbed to 3.4% in February, from 3.3% in January. According to Bloomberg's survey, economists expected a slowing down to 3.1%. The S&P will meet on March 23. Most people expect a 50 BP increase, but it is possible to get a bigger move. Today's quiet turnover has seen the euro trade in a range of about 25 cents on either side $1.06355. The range it traded in the middle last week is still intact. Today, sterling is above $1.20 but appears to be in a bind by the £1.5 billion option at $1.2050, which expires today, and one at $1.2060. Market of America. Tomorrow is the start of Powell's semi-annual testimony as Federal Reserve Chair. His message was clear: the economy continues to grow at a non-inflationary, long-term sustainable pace. After the Fed's quarter-point slowdown last month, he will be asked if a 50 BP increase is being considered. Wednesday's meeting of the Bank of Canada saw an announcement by the Bank of Canada that a conditional suspension was in place at its January end meeting. The range of the greenback as at February 24 is still in place. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.